Which glass rinser is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Delta Faucet Spot Shield Glass Rinser. First up is the Delta Faucet Glass Rinser, priced at $104.82. What caught my eye was its Spot Shield stainless finish, which promises to resist those pesky water spots. If you want a reliable rinser that thoroughly cleans your glassware in seconds, this is worth a serious look. This rinser features powerful water jets that rinse residue off your drinkware quickly, making it a lifesaver for busy kitchens. The flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute ensures that dirt and grime are washed away effortlessly, which means less time scrubbing and soaking for you. Plus, it can handle everything from baby bottles to wine glasses, so it's versatile enough for any occasion. The DIY installation is easy, and it comes with a supply line for hot or cold water, which is a nice touch. Now, I did find some complaints about its price being a bit high compared to other options. Here's the thing though, you're paying for quality and durability, which often saves you money in the long run. If you're serious about keeping your glassware spotless, this rinser is a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you frequently entertain guests and want to keep your glassware pristine. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget but looking for quality. It's well worth it. Product number 2, Delta Faucet Chrome Glass Rinser. Next up is another Delta option, the Chrome model priced at $149.90. This one has a sleek chrome finish that caught my attention, and it's just as powerful as the Spot Shield version. If you want a stylish option that doesn't compromise on performance, this could be your pick. Like its Spot Shield counterpart, this rinser uses powerful jets to clean your glassware in seconds. The subtle overhang design helps direct water flow right into your sink, minimizing splashes. With 3,100 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, people love how it simplifies their dishwashing routine. Plus, installation is a breeze and can replace a soap dispenser, which could save you countertop space. However, some users mention that the chrome finish can show fingerprints more easily than other finishes. Look, if you mind a bit of maintenance to keep it shiny, this rinser is still a great choice for its efficiency and design. This is perfect for you if you want a sleek design with efficient cleaning. Skip this one if you prioritize a maintenance-free finish but still want quality. Product number 3, OWOFAN Kitchen Faucet with Glass Rinser. Now let's talk about the OWOFAN Kitchen Faucet with a built-in glass rinser, priced at $59.99. I was really impressed by how much functionality they packed into this compact unit. If you're looking for a dual-purpose faucet that saves space and offers great value, you'll want to hear more. It features a strong water mode that can quickly flush food debris, which is a huge time saver. The installation is straightforward, and it comes with all the hardware you need, which is great for DIYers. With over 3,600 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's a popular choice among homeowners. One downside some users reported is that the quality feels a bit less premium compared to higher-end models. But honestly, for the price point, it delivers solid performance, and if you don't mind a simpler construction, it's a fantastic deal. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end materials and finishes, but it's a great value. Product number 4, Delta Brushed Nickel Glass Rinser. Next, we have the Delta Brushed Nickel Glass Rinser, which is priced at $299. This one looks sleek, and I appreciated the brushed nickel finish. If you're all about durability and aesthetics, this rinser is worth considering. This model features the same powerful jets that clean your glassware in seconds, but it also has a corrosion-resistant finish that lasts longer than most. With 941 reviews and a consistent 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many people trust this option for their kitchen. However, some users pointed out that it's a pricier choice compared to others. Here's the thing though, this rinser is built to last and backed by a lifetime warranty, which gives you peace of mind that you won't be replacing it anytime soon. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, durable option that looks great in any kitchen. Skip this if your budget is tight, but it's a long-term investment. Product number 5, Delta Matte Black Glass Rinser. Last on our list is the Delta Matte Black Glass Rinser. While the price isn't listed, it's in the high-end range, similar to the brushed nickel model. If you want a modern, chic look for your kitchen, this could be the perfect fit. This rinser shares all the powerful features of Delta's other models, including the quick rinse capability and easy DIY installation. The matte black finish is not only stylish, but also hides fingerprints better than chrome, which is a nice touch for maintenance. With a stellar rating of 4.6 stars from 941 reviews, it's clear that customers appreciate its performance and design. Some negative feedback mentioned that the price might be off-putting for some, but honestly, you're paying for aesthetic appeal and durability. If those are priorities for you, it's well worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a trendy, easy-to-clean option that enhances your kitchen's look. Skip this if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, but it definitely adds flair. So there you have it. We've covered 5 fantastic glass rinsers that can make your kitchen life a lot easier. The Delta Spot Shield and Chrome models are great for quality and style. The OWOFAN is perfect if you want functionality on a budget. The brushed nickel and matte black are for those who value aesthetics and durability. It really comes down to what fits your needs and your kitchen best.